My name is Linda, and we have something in common. It's our love and devotion to the ocean, which for me developed into a commitment to protect the ocean from the plastic pollution it faces. However, my area of focus is of a much smaller dimension and often unnoticeable to the naked eye. I study microplastic. I conducted a research on macro problem of microplastic, which was awarded the University of Leeds Beaumont Award, that recognizes the student-led research projects that have a potential to make a positive impact in life. When I was studying the microplastics downstream of the Humber estuary, I found something previously unobserved. Namely, 50% of my sample actually consisted of paint particles. Paint particles act essentially the same way as microplastics. Their chemical composition is similar, they both contain polymers, and when they end up in the marine environment, they act the same way, posing similar threats to the marine life. To their small size, paint particles, similarly as microplastics, can be ingested by numerous marine organisms and passed down the food chain, ultimately leading to a human consumer. Secondly, both paints and microplastics have polymers in their structure as well as numerous different chemicals, which give them their properties of color or, for example, resistance to fire or degradation. Such particles enter the marine environment, they are subject to numerous forces, such as wave action or degradation by the sunlight, which ultimately weakens their structure, making them able to leach the chemicals into the water. It can lead to a buildup of toxic chemicals, which are known to affect the marine organisms in numerous negative ways. Started researching that area as a potential source of the paint particle pollution, it became clear that such activities as ship maintenance or repair or cleaning can lead inevitably to a release of paint chips, which, if not handled properly, can enter the marine environment. Since there are no strict regulations on that matter, I'm asking for your help to ensure the most sustainable practices when it comes down to any sort of activities that can release paint particles into the marine environment. Keeping in mind that every choice we make has an impact, let's ensure that that impact is positive. Thank you.